All right, so here is a recap of what we talked about at our meeting. I have created a sample data sheet for you. That way, none of the data we talked about is public. We have a variety of names and grade classes. So we have enough to sort by, and then 3 columns of just arbitrary data. So remember, the first thing we talked about was freezing rows and freezing columns. So in order to do that, you want to go to View, Freeze, and then that first row allows you to freeze the top features. So in this case, it allows us to see what our what our column headings are. And then same thing, View, Freeze, and if it's in the case of data like this, I like the first 2 columns because then you get last name and first name. And that allows us to have those things frozen if I scroll over or scroll up and down. If I had more data in this would be a little more helpful. The next thing we want to talk about is how to sort have multiple filters. So in order to do that, I select all of my data, and then I go to Data, Sort Range, and I want to sort by grade first, which is column C, and then CFA1, which is column D. And if you look at that, it'll sort you by grade, and then it'll sort data, and the way we did it was lowest to highest. So if you were looking at classes, for instance, we have all of 6th grade, and then it goes lowest to highest. You can see that Abby Payloff didn't do so hot, but at least if we're looking at classes as grades, Allison Curtis rocked it out. Okay. You can always go back and sort differently. So you'd still select all of your data, going to Data, Sort Range. I would still go by grade level again, which is C, but maybe you want to go highest to lowest for some reason. And then you want to add column E, and you want to go highest to lowest. Depends what you're trying to manipulate. So that changed our data to where it's 8th grade, then 7th grade, then 6th grade, and then it sorted that next column. Hopefully that helps. Play with it. Don't forget about the magic undo button in case you ever make a mistake, and see where you get.